Hey babies, it's your girl Nurse Reese, and you're watching Nurse Reese in the City. For this episode, I wanted to do kind of like a little update, let you guys know what's going on, because I will be taking somewhat of a hiatus. I'll be popping up in and out with some videos. I do have some pre-recorded videos that I'll be, I guess, posting, uploading, soon. But as of right now, I got some big things going on. So really quickly, some of you may know, some of you may not know, that I recently finished my Master's in Nursing Education with Capella University. And it was truly a really great accomplishment. And it has allowed and opened so many opportunities and doors for me. So I'm truly grateful to Capella and their FlexPath program for just giving me this opportunity for growth. So it was actually truly amazing. So I was really super excited about that. Additionally, my reason for completing the MSN program with Capella was because I also had goals and dreams of, moving on and pursuing a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner certificate. I didn't want to do it I don't do anything traditionally. So I didn't want to do it the traditional route, BSN and getting a master's in, Psych NP, because overall it was going to cost me a lot of money. And because I have a prior bachelor's degree, I am paying out of pocket and I didn't want loans and stuff like that. So this route was the most economical route for me, and it was a relatively fast route, and it afforded me, opportunities to do time to do other things. So this really was a great direction and a great path for me and a great decision. So I'm glad that I did it this way, and at the end of the day, like, I have a master's, so anything after this is pretty much extra, so that's how I look at it. So, I don't have to spend all that time trying to obtain a master's when I already have a master's, and anything that I want to do, I can still do it while, continuing to further my education. So speaking about furthering my education, I don't know if I let you guys know that I was considering continuing on to get my doctorate in nursing practice, the DNP. I did apply. I applied to Capella, and I was accepted. Yay! I was definitely accepted. I was accepted into the April 12th, 2021 cohort or session. I actually decided to postpone it because I also, and this is really what you all want to know, the update, I also was accepted into several post-master's cert programs for the psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. Hey, so we're going to celebrate, we're going to let it rain. Confetti, virtual confetti. So I am like low-key, high-key ecstatic about this right now, because this was always a dream of mine. It was a goal of mine. It was an aspiration of mine since I started working in a psych hospital. Even before, when I was a little kid, I always dreamed of being like a psychiatrist. But I didn't want to, do all the schooling and stuff, because eventually I had a child, did the whole, whatever thing. And I just didn't really see how I would be able to do it at that time in my life. So I kind of gave up that dream. But then I pursued a not even a dream. I just pursued a different career. And that career was nursing. And, working in the psych hospital, I saw the psych NPs, and I was inspired. And I was like, there's a way that I can still do this. It's a different route, but I can still do it. And I talked to my late grandmother about it. And, she was very supportive. And then it did seem virtually impossible, but here I am. So I'm actually in awe of myself still now to this day. I can't believe that I am here. So yes, I have accepted admission to Wilkes University. So we're gonna go with the next date. I've accepted Wilkes University, and I chose Wilkes because they met my needs. That's my kids. Viviana. So I chose Wilkes University because they were really high. They were actually my first choice for a while. And then I saw other schools. As you guys know, my goal was to pursue a school that was online. And I know online schools are not going to offer what a brick and mortar does, but I did the majority of my nursing career online, and I panned out pretty well. And I think I'll be fine. I already have connections and relationships with psych NPs, and I believe that I'll do well as long as I wrap around them, and allow them to mentor me and, help me along the way. So I feel that real life experience will help me, in addition to pursuing this education online. So yeah, I chose Wilkes because, as you heard, my kid is in the background. I have 2 children, and they're school aged, and have other responsibilities and things, and I just really don't have the time to set aside to go to someone's school for a certain amount of hours every week or whatever. So I chose online. Additionally, they have this year, I think 2021, I believe, yeah, they are supposed to find preceptors for you. So that was a big thing for me as well. As you guys may hear, I don't know if I have a strong New York accent. Maybe I do, I don't know. Forgot about it. No, I'm just playing. I'm not even from Brooklyn, but I'm from Long Island. But anyway, I guess I don't know if I have a New York accent. I probably do. But I'm from New York. I'm a New Yorker, born and raised, Long Island girl. And so that was a hurdle, because Wilkes does not accept new people who live in New York to, go to their program, because New York doesn't accept, Wilkes, the board of nursing, blah, 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 blah. So I did some research. I called the board of nursing in New York to find out, how I can do this, and so on and so forth. So God, I believe in God. So, well, there's a will, He will make a way. And a way was made. I was able to establish residency in New Jersey. I applied for a New Jersey license, and here we are. So, I don't know how did that saying go? All is well, means whatever it is, but it's all working out. So I start this month, because we're in May 2020. We're in May 2021. 2020 was didn't even exist. But so I started this month, May 2021. And I say all this because I'm not going to be posting up videos like that as often. I'm going to be slowing down a little bit on social media, because I have to give my whole self as much as I can to this. I work full time. I have kids that are, still homeschooling, or they're not homeschooling, but they're doing their schooling at home. But I am considering homeschooling them, but that's a whole other story for another day, for another channel. But anyway, so still trying to figure out what I'm doing with them educationally, and then I have all my other responsibilities and things that I do. I still have the coaching, the workshop, and everything else. So this is extremely important to me. I want you guys to know that it's very, very important to me, and I want to be able to put my whole self in so that I can help give you guys tips and tricks along the way that, you may be able to use to be successful in this program or any other program, Psych NP program that you may choose to go into. So yeah, so that's where I'm at. And as far as the DNP program, for me, that's just an accolade. I love education, and yes, one day my goal is to teach, online, be, for MSN, BSN students. That is something that I would love to do a little later on in life. So I will be pursuing the DNP. I'm not going to say when, but it is in the near future. And I will be ecstatic about that as well. And I'm going to Capella. I've already been accepted. I just pushed it back. So when that time comes, you guys know I'm going to give you every nook and cranny to help you succeed within reason with that as well. So I am going to take this time to just ask you guys to just send out mad love, mad encouragement, the same way that I, love on you guys and I encourage you guys. I want you guys to do the same for me. Wish me well, wish me the best. Please don't wish me luck, but just wish me the best. If you believe in prayer, pray for me. Please don't pray on me, and just wish me the best as I go on this journey that I am super excited about. And I honestly, I really cannot believe that I'm here. For me, this is a big deal. It's truly a big deal. And, I didn't really want to share this with you guys. I mean, I did, but it's like a baby of mine, and I just don't want any added pressure. But, I want you guys to be a part of my journey as well. So, I'm really excited. I am really, really, really excited about this. So that's really it. Again, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, about Capella, the BSN MSN program, and even if you're here from Excelsior, if you have any questions, I am here. I may not be able to respond as quickly as I usually do, but I will get to you guys. You can find me on Instagram. I have my Facebook page. I'm on here. And that's really where I'm at. So please feel free to message me with any questions that you guys may have. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. I will be putting out some other videos. I have a whole series that's done. I just haven't put anything out about finding work from home jobs. I've been working from home for about 5 years now. I mean, a lot of my jobs have not been solely at home, but the like 90% is home. I may go out into the field really quickly to do like an assessment or whatever. But I enjoy it. What are they doing? I'm sorry, kids. I don't know what they're doing. But I enjoy it. And again, it affords me the flexibility to do certain things and accomplish certain goals and dreams and things that I have. So I want to show you guys, how you can go and search for your own work from home opportunities. And really that's it. So I have that. And when I have time, I'll be making some, other more videos as well. And if you guys have any suggestions, any comment suggestions of any content that you would like for me to do, please, 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 please let me know. All right. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Congrats to all of the 2021 graduates. Amazing. Like it just like pat yourself on the back, give yourself a big hug. I'm giving you guys a virtual hug. Congratulations. We did it. Right? We did it through the pandemic. Like if we can do it through the pandemic, we can do it through anything. So congrats to all you guys. Don't let anything, anyone, anybody stop you from pursuing your dreams. Okay? Please go out there and pursue your dreams. Godspeed.